When people think of India, they imagine colors, crowds, chaos. But there's another side, quieter, greener, deeper. This is not the India of postcards. It's the India of whispers, of wild beauty, of nature like no other. In Kerala, water isn't just water, it's a way of life. Houseboats drift between coconut trees. Birds glide just above the surface. And time slows down and starts to float. In Uttarakhand, the land rises into the clouds. Waterfalls drop like ribbons from the cliffs. Pine trees stand like watchful monks. Here, the mountains don't just stand still, they breathe. Munnar is what happens when green decides to take over everything. Tea plantations ripple like waves frozen in motion. Every path smells like fresh earth and chai. And mornings, they come dressed in mist. In Meghalaya, it doesn't just rain, it cascades. Waterfalls crash from cliffs into dense jungle, carving music into the land. Even the air feels wet with stories. Ziro Valley isn't loud. It doesn't need to be. It speaks through mist, through rice paddies glistening in the morning sun. It's silence. The kind that doesn't scare you. It welcomes you. Hampi isn't a ruin. It's a poem carved in stone. Every crumbling wall, every silent sculpture, they remember. And if you walk slowly enough, they'll let you listen. In Udaipur, everything reflects something. The water reflects the sky. The palaces reflect history. And somehow, you start reflecting too. Boats glide across Lake Pichola like forgotten dreams. The city palace rises like a carved crown, and the lights at dusk melt into gold. This isn't just a city, it's a painting you can walk through. In the western Ghats, the earth exhales. The hills stretch endlessly, covered in a rainforest so dense it hums. Every raindrop, every leaf, every bird call, it all beats in rhythm. This isn't a landscape, it's India's green heartbeat. Not the India from glossy brochures, but the one that lives quietly beneath the noise, gentle, wild, timeless. And once it finds a place in your memory, it never really leaves.